Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. We're gonna see SPX as well, of course, for the daily close. Currently today we saw, of course, a live stream and we saw an intraday where the intraday also said that if we take this price 22k 600 this low, meaning invalidation of any move toward the upside here in case we are impulsive, meaning this is of course three-wave corrective, and this is exactly what happened, and this was a confirmation for lower. We went already deeper a little bit, and I believe it's not finished yet. What I think is going on here that we have 1 2 3 4 5, it's a diagonal 1 2 3 4 5, and potentially this is your wave 1 2, and you might hit of course a 3 4 5, meaning this expanding the flat starting from the wave 3 here as a wave A, wave B, 1 2 3 4 and a 5 potentially might unfold toward the 1.618 here for 22k 345, meaning this 1 2 3 4 5 might finish of course wave 3 and getting 4 and a 5 to hit the 1.618 potentially. Of course the wave 2 can still be a zigzag or three waves corrective, moving a little bit higher before moving down of course again for this expanding flat. And that because, of course, now we got at least, I would say, ABC in case you are not in an expanding flat. So don't forget also a larger ABC for a wave 2 can still be a possibility here, which we are very close to it. However, if this is a structure impulsive and you have a 1 2, well, yeah, how it's going to end up, right, for a zigzag. And definitely this is an impulse here, so I would say we would like to see something impulsive or diagonal. Now this is a diagonal, but it did not reach the 1-to-1 fib level. Now preferably of course that we take it, but to be watched, guys. So it's a level just to test it, of course, and if we break it, definitely we're moving of course towards the 1.38, and this 1-to-1 fib level of course is gonna still be finishing a 1, a wave 2 potentially, and then moving 3 4 and a 5 diagonal toward the upside to hit finally of course those fib level, potentially for a wave 5 as well. We're gonna see step by step, but basically I would like to test the 1-to-1 fib level. I would like to see the 1-to-1, and since we got confirmation for lower, I would like to see of course what's gonna be the reaction. If broken, I would say directly 22k 345 for an expanding flat. A, B, and a C, wave 4, 1 2 3 4, and wave 5 of course to unfold as bullish later on. Okay, that was it for the Nasdaq. Very interesting. The invalidation or the confirmation for lower was simply taken, and now the next level has been given. And for SPX, we are looking, of course, for lower prices. We said if we take the 0.618 today, of course, we might see lower prices, and here we go. And also taking the confirmation for lower here, that is meaning, of course, even lower prices. So what I'm saying here is I would like to mention that this might be a 1 2 3 4 5 finish wave 3 definitely here, because your wave 5 might be extended, because there is no way that you get an impulse like 1 2 here and then get a 4 and a 5 and get invalidation, meaning this is going to transform to big ABC and also like big W, X, and a Y. But the problem is when you have such a correction starting toward the upside, this is a little bit impossible. Okay, and therefore I'm still looking here at 1 2 1 2 3, potentially 4 5 can finish as diagonal or even as an impulse toward the upside, this wave 5. Okay, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen, guys. But basically, I would like to mention right now a new level, key level to be watched. Okay, so I'm gonna remove everything else. A new key level to be watched is this wave 1, because currently we are in this wave 1 2 3 4 and a 5. We are very close, by the way, for invalidation of bullish again. So if this price is taken, therefore we have to start to be careful what's going on in the market, because you have 1 2 3 right now. 4, it should not take this invalidation 6187. You should simply move toward the upside, whether diagonal, or it can be 5 to finish wave 3, to finish wave 4, to finish wave 5 again, and the 5 in blue, and wave 3. Here we go. Okay, so we're gonna see how this is gonna be, but it might be of course even like 4 5 4 5 somehow like this. Yeah, so basically everything also as expected for SPX. The fib levels and the key levels were taken, perfectly, and the price also react respectively. Right now we have new key level 6187. If taken, that is not a good thing for bullish. Okay, we might continue simply toward the downside. That was it for Nasdaq and SPX, the daily close. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.